Hi everyone, I'm really excited to announce my next coloured pencil workshop, which starts next week, the 7th of December at 10:30 live in my Facebook group, Artist Community. So you will need to sign up and join the group to be able to get access to the live workshops that are happening. I'm going to be drawing this sweet little robin here with holly, so really festive for Christmas. I'm going to keep it very simple as to not overwhelm, and I'm just using one brand of pencils with very limited colours so that it's not too overwhelming and we don't get caught up in the overwhelm of drawing something a little bit tricky but definitely rewarding. I'm going to break it down and make it as simple as possible so that you can really enjoy creating your own robin and holly in coloured pencils. There's going to be competitions in the workshop, so really exciting to join up. It'd be great if you could join me live because you get the opportunity to ask me questions along the way. If you can't make the times, then it will be available in the group for you to watch on catch up, but it would be lovely to see you live next Tuesday, 10:30 in the group. Look forward to seeing you then. Bye for now.